bit. Gay.
So this is... Ay, sorry. Gay. Intro. This is our...
ESPC!
This is blah blah. Museum tour. Look at the view. I love you.
Ang daming tao.
Ang daming tao.
Ikaw pa rin, mahal ko! Ang talap!
This is the reaction of our...
Hi, this is me. This is me in the future. This is me.
This
This is me you're looking for.
is me before the SPC.
This is me before the
Hi, guys.
SPC.
This is me.
Lagi, this is me.
This is
you before. Look, noise.
Digicam yan, boy.
Picture ta, paano to?
This is me before.
Okay, buti ka mo pa yun.
Pwede naman 0.5.
Long na picture.
Stick sa bag.
Sa picture. Are.
Bugo ka, video sana.
Picture de. Di ka mo.
Time.
Times.
Hoy, basura.
Uy, mga basura, uy.
Uy, wala tayong 0.5.
Kuha daw basura, bay.
Uy, kita na nga. 0.5.
Video gyapon ni bay.
So, hi guys.
Sama
you
bay.
can see, we are here at the National Museum.
0.5 last. 0.5. Pagdali last. Dali.
Picture mo eh. 0.5 daw.
Kayata. Hala, pagdali. Shot.
0.5, uy. Paulo. Mani, uy.
Sige na, uy.
Ito na to. Last. Dali na, uy. Ito na to.
Sige, 1, 2, 3.
Ang mana.
Basta ka na.
Naka-play ba ni? Naka-play to? Hindi no.
Juan Guain. Salamat na save. Salamat na save. Hoy, mato mo.
Say hi.
Dele.
Imong evaluation sheet and imong artwork. Napasa ni mo evaluation sheet? Sige. Duha. Ihatag ni Ma'am Rona palihog ang evaluation sheet. Ma'am Rona is there at the back passing Miss Rona. Next, Angel Fair Bacquiao. Angel Fair. Where is Angel Fair? Where is your artwork and your evaluation sheet? Please hatag ni Ma'am Rona palihog at the back. Lord Austin Valbuena. Lord Austin, please submit your evaluation and your finished product to Ms. Rona. Michelle Bacurnay. Asa na? Nani siya?
Musolig yaw yan.
Isaiah.
Musolig ikaw ba yan?
Shin Samira Balansa.
Hindi musolig ah.
Christian Artano. Please submit your evaluation sheet. Si Ryan Batukay. Ryan o Elisa Batukay. Uy, asa ko? Elisa. Sige, palihog ko pa sa mga artwork and
Hi, guys. This
Oh,
is
ikaw
me.
no. Ryan, palihog pa sa luyo no. Darwin Ayag.
This is my reaction in the National Museum.
Sige, palihog ko pa sa inyong work and evaluation sheet, Ms. Rona.
Bye na.
Christian
Okay, so that ends our journey for today's video.